Hi, myself Adil Khan. I am from Chemtrend Chemicals Company Private Limited. I am working in sales from last 8 years and taking care of composite technical sales and support. We are here for an advanced workshop of pultrusion, and I must say when I came on the first day, I came as a beginner. If I have to rate myself in the scale of 1 to 10, I was 1 or 2. But the best thing is that when I'm leaving, I can rate myself 5 to 6. The best thing about workshops are like I have some key takeaways. Like one thing is about the workshop, it was very interactive. It was taught on the points that needs to be discussed during the process of pultrusion, and exactly what are the points that needs to be discussed when you want to have a better knowledge about the process and to understand how it works. That was a very good thing. Thank you.